Hi, I am Chibuike Okpaluba from Middlesex University, and in the following series of videos, I will be helping you get started with the ABB IRB 120. The ABB IRB 120 is ABB's smallest ever industrial robot manipulator, and it comes in two variants, the 120 and the 120T. The ABB IRB 120 has 6 joints, and they are controlled by the IRC5 compact robot controller using the handheld Teach Pendant or ABB's Robot Studio environment. As the series progresses, I will introduce you to the IRC5 compact controller, the robot's handheld Teach Pendant, and its programming IDE and programming language Robot Studio and Rapid respectively. The IRC5 is a compact robot controller for the ABB IRB 120. It provides power to the robot and also connects to your computer or the Teach Pendant. There are a few interesting buttons on this controller that you should know about. Firstly, the power switch. You can turn the power switch to switch the robot either on or off. At the top right hand side of the robot controller, there are 4 buttons which sets the run mode of the robot, engages and disengages the brakes for the motors in the robot's joints, and an emergency button which shuts the power to the robot's joints. Unless instructed, please ensure that the run mode is set to the teach mode. This is the icon to the extreme right showing a person's hand. A Teach Pendant is a handheld device used to program industrial robot manipulators. The ABB IRB 120's Teach Pendant is equipped with several buttons and a joystick used to control the robot's movements to and from points within a given workspace. For now, there are 3 main buttons you should be aware of. Firstly, the emergency button. This button should be used in the event of an emergency to quickly stop the robot's motion. Secondly, the two-way deadman switch. This switch ensures that the robot's operator is fully aware of the robot's motion. When this is active, the switch enables the robot's motors. Please ensure that this switch is not pressed completely, and this only works when the robot is set to run in teach mode. Lastly, you should know that the joystick is to move the robot around its workspace.